Section 1. Real people, real money. See how they did it. Imagine earning $18 an hour just by watching ads. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not a fantasy. It's the reality for many people around the world. They're turning their screen time into pay time, and you can too. From stay-at-home moms to students, individuals from all walks of life are finding financial freedom through this innovative method. Take Sarah, a single mother from Ohio. She was struggling to make ends meet. Then she discovered the world of paid ad watching. Now, she earns extra income while her kids are at school. She can finally afford those extra treats and activities for her children. Sarah's story is just one of many. Section 2. Turn screen time into pay time. It's easier than you think. We live in a digital age. We're constantly bombarded with ads. Why not get paid for the time we spend watching them? That's the simple premise behind this revolutionary method. It's about taking something we already do and turning it into a profitable activity. The best part is it's incredibly easy to get started. No special skills or technical knowledge is required. All you need is a device with internet access. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you can start earning right away. The platforms are user-friendly and designed for everyone. You don't need to be a tech whiz to navigate the system. Section 3. Get paid to watch. The simple steps to success. Ready to start earning? Here's a breakdown of the simple steps involved. 1. Choose a platform. Several reputable platforms offer paid ad watching opportunities. Do your research and select the one that best suits your preferences. Look for platforms with high user ratings and positive reviews. 2. Sign up. The registration process is usually quick and easy. You'll need to provide basic information and create an account. Most platforms offer free sign-up, so there's no initial investment required. 3. Browse ads. Once you're logged in, you can browse through a variety of ads. You can choose ads based on your interests or the payout offered. The more ads you watch, the more you earn. Section 4. Your global ticket to earning, no matter where you are. One of the most significant advantages of this earning method is its global reach. It doesn't matter where you live, you can participate and earn. All you need is an internet connection. This opens up a world of possibilities for people in developing countries. They can now access income-generating opportunities that were previously unavailable. This is about breaking down geographical barriers and creating a truly global economy. It's about empowering individuals worldwide to improve their financial well-being. Language is no longer a barrier either. Section 5. See the proof, real testimonials, real payments. Skeptical? You're not alone. Many people are initially hesitant about the legitimacy of this earning method. That's why it's essential to see the proof. Numerous platforms showcase real testimonials from users who are already earning. These are not actors or paid endorsements. They're genuine individuals sharing their experiences. They talk about how this method has changed their lives, allowing them to pay bills, afford luxuries, and achieve financial stability. These testimonials are a testament to the effectiveness and reliability of this system. But it's not just about words, it's about tangible evidence. Many platforms provide payment proofs, showcasing real-time transactions and earnings. Section 6. Trust the system, user ratings, and proven results. In today's digital age, trust is paramount. We rely on user reviews and ratings to guide our decisions. The same applies to paid ad-watching platforms. Reputable platforms boast high user ratings and positive reviews, reflecting user satisfaction and system reliability. These ratings are not fabricated, they're based on real experiences. Users rate platforms on various factors, including ease of use, payout reliability, and customer support. High ratings indicate a trustworthy platform that delivers on its promises. These ratings serve as a valuable guide for potential users, helping them make informed decisions. Section 7. Start small, earn big, no investment needed. One of the most appealing aspects of this earning method is its accessibility. You don't need a large sum of money to get started. In fact, you don't need any investment at all. Most platforms offer free sign-up, allowing you to jump right in and start earning immediately. This eliminates the financial barrier that often prevents people from pursuing income-generating opportunities. You can start small, dedicating a few minutes each day to watching ads. As you become more comfortable with the system, you can gradually increase your time commitment. The beauty of this approach is its flexibility. You can tailor your earning potential to your lifestyle and available time. Section 8. Unlock your earning potential. It's time to get paid. For too long, we've accepted the traditional 9-to-5 grind as the only path to financial security. But what if there was a better way? What if you could earn money on your own terms, without sacrificing your time and freedom? That's the promise of paid ad watching. It's about unlocking your earning potential and taking control of your financial destiny. It's about recognizing the value of your time and attention. In today's digital landscape, our attention is a valuable commodity. Advertisers are willing to pay for it, and now you can reap the rewards. This is not about getting rich quick, it's about creating a sustainable income stream that complements your existing lifestyle. Section 9. The future of earning. Simple, accessible, and global. Paid ad watching is not just a trend, it's a glimpse into the future of earning. It represents a paradigm shift in how we perceive work and income generation. It's about embracing simplicity, accessibility, and global inclusivity. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, it's refreshing to see a method that's both innovative and user-friendly. The simplicity of this system is its greatest strength. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, regardless of their technical skills or background. This accessibility is breaking down barriers and empowering individuals worldwide to improve their financial standing. It's about leveling the playing field and creating a truly global economy. The global reach of this method is unprecedented. Section 10. Join the movement. Start watching and start earning today. The world of earning is changing, and you have the power to be a part of it. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join the movement, start watching ads, and begin your journey towards financial freedom. The first step is always the hardest, but with paid ad watching, it's a simple one. Choose a reputable platform, sign up, and start exploring the available ads. You'll be amazed at the variety and the earning potential. Remember, every ad you watch is a step towards a more secure financial future. It's about taking control of your time, your attention, and your earnings. It's about creating a life where you're not bound by the constraints of traditional work.